Does this ever happen to you or your kids when you have a little bit too much soda? Well, while we can't guarantee that that won't happen to you, our homemade Sprite doesn't have any of the artificial sweeteners or chemicals of a regular soda. I'll also show you how to make a different version that's just a little bit more tart with half the sugar. To build your homemade Sprite, you'll start by adding half an ounce of fresh lemon juice. Then you'll add half an ounce of fresh lime juice, 2 ounces of simple syrup. Now this is actually less sugar, or pretty close to it, as regular Sprite, which if you're wondering why it tastes like sugary soda water with only a hint of lemon and lime, this is why. Next you'll add 6 ounces of soda water and give that a bit of a stir. If you're gonna build a home lemon lime soda, which I think tastes a heck of a lot better, add half an ounce of lemon, half an ounce of lime, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 6 ounces of soda water. Now this is going to be much more tart because there's quite a bit more citrus in it, but to me this tastes like actually an interesting drink versus just incredibly sweet sugar water with a hint of lemon and lime.
Is this the tart one?
Yeah, that's the real lemon lime soda.
The real lemon lime soda?
Yeah.
And what's this one?
That's the water with a little bit of lemon and lime.
You said a bad word. I like this one. I like this one. This one's good.
That's why America's fat.
I'm not fat.